The Department of Finance, with the endorsement of the Irish Fiscal Advisory Council, is forecasting gross domestic product growth of 5.5% from the year, up from 3.9% in our update earlier in the year. The economy is forecast to grow by 0.7% next year. IFAC has also pointed out the uncertainty around this, given the unprecedented nature of a disorderly Brexit, and I share this assessment. The same is true for the forecast of the budgetary position for next year. My department is forecasting a deficit of 0.6%, but in reality, there is a wide margin around this, given the unprecedented nature of this event. Furthermore, it doesn't take into account any expenditure from the rainy day fund. It is imperative to boost the resilience of the Irish economy in order to minimise, insofar as is possible, any future disruption. And this budget is designed to protect recent progress in our economy. It will act as a bridge to a better future for our country. And crucial to this will be how we manage our public spending. Since 2011, we've diversified our economy. It's now more balanced. In the run-up to the crisis, nearly 11% of jobs in the Irish economy were in construction. Today, that figure is just above 6%. When it comes to the public finances, the contrast is stark. At the peak of the last economic cycle, day-to-day spending had grown by 57%, an average increase of 11% each year. By contrast, between 2015 and 2019, as we emerged from the bailout period, and with significant pent-up pressures in our society and our economy, day-to-day spending has grown by a more modest 19%, which is on average an annual growth rate in the region of 4%. And as such, we're entering a time of change with this strength, and I'm confident that we are more than capable of meeting challenges ahead. Today's budget, therefore, has two strands to it. The first strand, much of which I have dealt with, deals with the extra steps we are now taking to face up to the very real risk of a no-deal Brexit. The second will ensure that we can improve our public services, that we can help our most vulnerable citizens. The sustainable funding and the effective delivery of our public services is the touchstone for good government. So it is an important principle that when a government sets out its plans for a future budget, people should have confidence that the government will indeed deliver a budget of this scale.